So here's how we can look at the downloaded files on iPhone. Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials. First of all, I would go to the Settings app and check out the Apps section at the bottom. From those, I would look up the Safari web browser, of course, and in there you get to pick the location for your downloads, right? So you can see you can store it in like the iCloud, in local storage, or in a Dropbox. But the point is that you need to know where exactly you can find it, right? So in my case, it's on my iPhone and it's the downloads folder. So I go to the Files app. You can see in the location section, I go to the on my iPhone and locate at the downloads. And all of the things I have downloaded from the internet through the Safari web browser are going to appear right here. So as you can see, I have some PDFs, some videos, or some other things which I have downloaded recently, right? It all can be found right here. Keep in mind, however, that if you are using some different web browser, a lot of people use Google Chrome. In that case, it works a little bit different, just, a different folder, but still within the Files app. So you can check out the Google Chrome app, tap on the three dots and go to the Downloads folder. This will move you out of the Chrome app and go to the Files app, but again, it's just going to go to the Chrome Downloads folder. So again, you can find it in here if you use like a different web browser, but at the end of the day, you should be able to find it like that. So I really hope that I can help you out with this. Let me know if it worked, but most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.